Nissan Note. How do you change a pollen filter? Right. This is the old one. Right. So we just got a new one to match it up. Right. He's a really cheap kind of, you know. Right. So this is a Nissan Note. Right. So this is a Nissan Note. So you find a pollen filter just under there. It's a silly place to put it, really, you know. So it's on the passenger side underneath here. That's where you find it. Right, so if you want to find it, and this little piece, you need to take that off. Right, so this little piece would be just there, like so. So you need to just pull this off. Right, so take this bit off, put it aside, and then the pollen filter would be in here. So you need to just hold it, pull it out. Same thing what I did to this old one. You can see this used to look like that, you know what I'm saying? So this is really, that's dirty. So all this dirt literally coming through here, right? So you just need to change that. And while you're changing it, if you got like a vacuum hoover, you could just hoover in there. That's where it goes. Just in there. Just in there. That's where it lives. So now, just gonna put this back. Right. I'm guessing this one, it doesn't matter which way in this one, because it doesn't say up or down, because sometimes this one got like the airflow. But just gonna put this one back in here. Just gonna do it like so. Let's turn the light on. Right, so now we're gonna put this one. It's a really silly place to actually put this. So just gonna put this one in there like for the top first, and then just put the bottom in like so. Then you kind of wiggle, give it a little bit of, and there you go. And then you can just push it down like so. Just give it a little squish. Don't want to squish it too much. Let's see, there's nothing blocking it at the top. Right, so just gonna push it all the way down like so. Alright, so let's just, yeah, there you go. So now, let's say you just give it a little bit of tug until it goes in like so. Right? That's it, and then this bit you're gonna catch the top bit first, and then you're just gonna push that bit at the bottom end. Okay? So this is how you do it. Just catch that bit at the top like so. Catch it at the top, and then you push that up, and there you have it. That's it. That's how you change a pollen filter in a Nissan Note. So this model is actually from 2014 to I think 16. Right, so thanks guys for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe.